I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a payment decline on the Epic app, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update your billing information. Go to the billing section in the app and update any outdated information. This includes your card number, expiration date, and billing address. Step 3. Verify your account status. Make sure your Epic account is in good standing. If there are any account restrictions or issues, resolve them first. Step 4. Check for app updates. Ensure that your Epic app is up to date. An outdated app can sometimes cause payment issues. Go to your app store and check for updates. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Epic's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into why your payment was declined. Remember, sometimes a simple typo in your billing information can lead to a decline. Don't hesitate to double-check everything. Good luck, and I hope you get back to enjoying your content soon.